Hello, I'm in a 2020 Infiniti QX80 and today I'm going to show you to switch your interface languages between English, Spanish, or French. So first you'll make sure the vehicle is in the on, which it is, or turned on that is. And then you wait a moment for everything to load. And then from all your interfaces here, we're going to go to your menu, which is right here. And then on your touchscreen you'll scroll until you see settings. Click on settings, and then we'll scroll again till we see others, and then language, and then you've got French or Spanish, and it just auto updates as soon as you make a selection. And obviously I speak English, so I'll switch it back to English. But that's it. Now I'll have to confirm here in a moment. But I hope this was a helpful tutorial and hope you have a wonderful day.